Hello and welcome to Ifty's Tech Corner. Today we're going to be looking at upgrading the RAM in the 2012 Mac Mini. To begin, you simply flip your Mac Mini over, turn the bottom base so that it is in the unscrewed position here, and then we can simply remove the base. It helps if you flip it over, and there we go. Now the only main change between this and the previous generation is the actual shroud for the fan itself that seems to have been redesigned slightly. Otherwise everything is exactly how it is. You've got your wireless antenna there and your hard drives underneath this grill here. We're concentrating on this area here, which denotes our RAM. To remove the RAM, we simply unclip the two side clips and the RAM should pop up and we can slide it out. Again, we do the same with the bottom, unclip the two side clips and we can pull the RAM out. This one's slightly more tricky because of the housing on the side, but there we go. So that's our RAM removed. We then reverse the process and insert the new RAM. The bottom is slightly more tricky to get into the top, but make sure the gold connectors have all disappeared and insert the new RAM at a 30-degree angle and click down into place. So just getting the RAM in here at an angle, click down into place. And there we go, then we replace the top cover onto this and that's the RAM upgrade complete. With the RAM upgrade now complete, it's probably a good chance to switch the unit on, hold down the D button on your keyboard and perform a full hardware test just to double check the RAM and make sure it's working okay. As long as the check passes, you are good to go. So what do you think of the new Mac Mini? Leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you soon in Ifty's Tech Corner.